listen, we're wrapping up another house here in Arlington, Texas. One that we recently bought that someone was just trying to get rid of because they didn't want to do all the repairs. And we stepped in, gave them a cash price, made the offer, bought it from them, and they were happy, we're happy. We just finished up doing the house here in Arlington, and we're looking for another one. So if you, by the way, if you have a house that you would like to sell, maybe it needs a lot of repairs, has a lot of damage to it, whatever it might be, we're always buying houses still here in Arlington. So make sure that you go to 911myhouse.com and list the information. We'll make you an offer just as fast as can be. Take care, guys.